Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create a discrete area graph in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use the Affairs dataset, and I'll drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public session. Tableau will take a while to read in this dataset. Now that it has been loaded, I'm going to head over to the worksheet, sheet 1. And I'm going to use the attribute key. So that's the dimension attribute here under tables. I'm just going to drag and drop this attribute to columns. And so what Tableau is showing me now is all the years captured in this data set from 2009 to 2015. And then I'm going to drag and drop the measure attribute passenger count in green to rows. So by default, Tableau will show me a line graph of the passenger count from 2009 to 2015. To change this to a discrete area graph, I can go to the marks section, and here under this drop down for automatic, I'm going to click on the option area. Tableau will then create a discrete area graph for me. Another approach to create a discrete area graph is by going to the option Show Me in the right-hand corner. In the middle column for the third row from the bottom, this option will also create a discrete area chart. So by clicking on that, it will create the same graph that we saw earlier. So this is also a discrete area graph. So there you have it. This is how you can create a discrete area graph in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.